How to use Klarna browser extension for online shopping. Klarna also works while browsing online stores. Install the Klarna browser extension and sign in. When shopping, the extension will show your pay later and installments option directly on the checkout page. Click your preferred options and Klarna automatically calculates your payments before completing the purchase. Make sure the extension is active and logged in to see payment option instantly while shopping. Have you used Klarna's browser extension before? Share about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Klarna browser extension for online shopping. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.